I'm Petro-Ann Beukes, Head of Group Human Resources and Training for the Pam Golding Property Group. Pam Golding Properties is well known, certainly in South Africa. Our brand really stands for something special. It has a almost 50-year legacy. It stands for luxury and it stands for exemplary customer service. We actually have offices across Sub-Saharan Africa and the Indian Ocean islands of Mauritius and Seychelles, and we've just recently opened our first office in Paris, France. And that's why the content that we are able to put onto our online training system ensures that we drive consistency in that message across the company and across the group. Our training went almost exclusively online. And that then kicked off the process of trying to find the right partner. And we were absolutely delighted to finally decide to partner with New Leaf.
Pam Golding Properties needed a learning management system that was flexible, easy to use, and could support both in-person and online training, all while integrating smoothly with their HR systems. They required real-time tracking for compliance and development courses, along with consistent access for employees, no matter where they were located. Enter New Leaf Technologies. They rolled out a blended learning solution using aNewSpring, helping PGP launch essential courses to their over 2,000 agents all at once. The result? Training is now more accessible, scalable, and trackable, empowering PGP's teams with skills that drive growth and success.
The reason why we chose the system aNewSpring and New Leaf was because the system is just so simple and easy to use. It's very intuitive, it looks beautiful, and we just knew that for our agents who are time poor, they're always on the go, there's always a sale to be made, they don't want to spend hours figuring out how the online training works. The New Leaf team have helped us in the setup to make things as easy as possible for the learner to use. The team at New Leaf were also incredible in terms of meeting us halfway, finding solutions for challenges, their willingness to customize, and also their team that does the development of training were absolutely superb in developing some wonderful content for us that could be on the system when we went live. And then a real bonus was their willingness to build a reporting module for us, which is really important for me to be able to track training across the group, but also for managers to have access to their training stats in their offices. They can make sure that people are doing the training that they need to do. And it's given us some really interesting insights in terms of when people go onto the system, which days they prefer to learn, etc. We went live in August 2022 with about 1,500 people. And since then, we've seen exponential growth. We've trained over 3,000 agents. We've had over 51,000 visits to the site. And probably the most incredible stat is that we've reduced the training time from 7 weeks to 1 week. We felt that it was great value. So for what we are getting, it is a huge amount of value, and I would certainly recommend them to anyone, particularly if you want to roll out to a large number of people. It certainly was a very seamless experience for us.